Hey there, self-improvement enthusiasts. Welcome back to Self-Success Solution, where we dive deep into strategies to help you become the best version of yourself. Today, we're tackling a crucial skill for success: time management. Hook. Do you often find yourself overwhelmed by your to-do list? Are you struggling to find the time to pursue your goals? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of time management strategies to boost your productivity and take control of your schedule. Body daily routine breakdown. Start by analyzing your current daily routine. What are your peak productivity hours? When do you feel most energized and focused? Design your day around these peak hours. Schedule your most important tasks during these times to maximize your productivity. Top productivity apps. One of the best ways to manage your time is by using productivity apps. Apps like Todoist, Trello, or Notion can help you organize your tasks and track your progress. Experiment with different apps to find the ones that work best for you and integrate them into your daily routine. Time blocking techniques. Time blocking involves breaking your day into blocks of time dedicated to specific tasks or types of tasks. Create a daily or weekly schedule where you allocate specific blocks of time for different activities, such as work, exercise, and leisure. Prioritization strategies. The Eisenhower Matrix is a great tool for prioritizing tasks based on their urgency and importance. Divide your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Goal setting for productivity. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and schedule them into your calendar to ensure you're making progress every day. Avoiding procrastination. Identify your procrastination triggers and find ways to eliminate or minimize them. Break tasks into smaller, more manageable parts and tackle them one at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Work-life balance tips. Maintain a healthy work-life balance by setting boundaries between work and personal time. Schedule regular breaks and make time for activities that recharge you, such as hobbies or spending time with loved ones. Mindfulness and productivity practice. Mindfulness to stay present and focused on the task at hand. Techniques such as meditation or deep breathing can help you center yourself and increase your productivity. Workspace organization. A clutter-free workspace can help you stay focused and productive. Keep your workspace organized and free of distractions to create a conducive environment for work. Stress management techniques. Stress can negatively impact your productivity. Practice stress management techniques such as exercise, meditation, or journaling to stay calm and focused. Outro. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering time management and boosting your productivity. Which of these strategies resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal development and self-improvement. Until next time, remember, success is a journey, not a destination.